Hello passionate gardener, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore the fantastic process of growing grapevines from cuttings. It's an exciting journey that allows you to propagate your own grape plants right at home. Let's dive in.
Prepare your cutting first. Keep 3 buds in each cutting, where one bud will go under soil for rooting and others for leaves. We need to give a cut closer to the lower bud, and the bud needs to be removed so no leaves comes from the soil. Leaving this cutting into a tray with water, so this got soaked and well hydrated. I leave them for a overnight soaking in the water. My cuttings are here after overnight soaking. We have to give a nice and smooth crack cuts around the lower bud so it's easy to grow roots. Also you'll notice I have removed the buds from the lower side. Let's do another one. Remove the buds first and then give a smooth nice crack cuts. This will help rooting. Now that our cuttings are prepared, let's move on to the planting or propagation of the plants. I am using an organic rooting powder that will help to simulate the rooting process for my grapevines cuttings. Plants cuttings need to be in a well drained soil. I am using multi-purpose compost. So we'll dip each cutting into the rooting powder and make sure the lower buds have the rooting powder on it and plant one by one. And make sure again like the one buds under the soil because that will simulate the rooting. Post planting all cuttings, we need to use our fingers to firm the sides of the cutting so it does not move and rooting process is smooth for those cuttings. Once the cutting placement is done, we have to give water. We don't need to overwater them. Make sure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Post watering, we need to place this pot in a sunny and warm location to encourage the root development. I am covering these roots with a plastic packet to make sure the moisture are inside stuck and that will expedite the rooting process. For this job, we need grapevine cuttings, multi-purpose compost, a pot, a plastic packet, rooting powder, a shears or hand pruner, and a sharp knife. It's been 3 weeks. I have placed that planting pot indoor, and after 3 weeks I can see a lot of healthy leaves or shoots come out already. There are one I can see buds have some fungus. I'll remove that and we'll wait further for further progress of those plants. And after a few weeks more, I will leave them outside to grow naturally. So far, all of them are growing, so 100% success rate. Congratulations, you have learned how to grow grapevines from cuttings. With a little patience and care, you can enjoy the satisfaction of propagating your own grape plants and watching them thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, passionate gardener!